Welcome back. In this part 4, we're going to see how we can reveal the cards. So it's usually like this, that we have first card and second card. They should be different, and after we get the second card, when the user clicks on the second card, then we can check to see if the cards are the same or not. So here we need to have two different states for the first card and for the second card. By default they are undefined, which is fine. And then here, instead of just logging a console, we can check that. So if the user has already clicked on the first card, we have some first card, then the value of this will be undefined, and then the card that the user has clicked is the second card. So we would set the second card to be the index. Otherwise, if the first card is undefined, then the card that the user has clicked will be the first card. So we set the first card, like so. Cool. Now let's go to our app. If I refresh, go to the app, let's say I click here, this will be number 4, this will be number 0, which is correct. Okay, so when I get the second one, then I can do the check. The check can be done in a use effect, because we are having an effect, or in other words a side effect, which will be dependent on first card and second card. So when the first card changes and the second card changes, we would run these effect. First we would check that if first card is not undefined, so we have the first card and we have the second card. Then we would check that if those two cards are the same. So if the cards at index first card .src equals to cards at index second card .src, so the user has clicked two similar cards, then for now just log similar. Okay, if I go here and let's say in the console I click this one and this one, they are similar. Now if I refresh and I click this one and this one, they are not similar. Cool. Okay, instead of just logging here, we need to update the list of the cards that we have here, because if we go here, if I can find two matching ones, so this one and this one, when I click and they match, they shouldn't go back, so they should stay on the front. In other words, they should remain revealed, right? So this is the thing that we are going to do. So I would grab this list and map the values until I find these two cards, and then I will change them to be revealed. So then I would set the cards to these updated cards. Go here and refresh, and let's say I click on this one, and in this one 9 and 8, those should be true. Yes, as you can see, these two has the revealed true. Okay, but if the card is revealed, then it should stay revealed as well. So if car is revealed, or it's the first card or it's the second card, then it should stay revealed. Now after we set the cards, we need to reset these two values so that the user can select two other cards. So here we would have a reset function, and this reset function will be just changing these to state to be nothing, and the same for this one. So if I go here and refresh, state is undefined, I would click this and this. So now number 4 and 5 are true and my state is reset. So I can select two more. Let's say I click on this one and on this one. So now number 4 and 5 was true, number 7 and number 11 are true, and the state is undefined, which is correct. Awesome. In the next part we would just animate these cards and put the back on top of front. So see you in the next episode.